Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how I use Dollar Tree resin in one of these ocean animal silicone molds that I got on Amazon. You get 6 of them for $15, so a pretty good deal. I'm going to be using one of the Dollar Tree acrylic sheets. Those are great for moving the molds around. And I'm using Dollar Tree resin. It's a 1-to-1 mixture, a part A, a part B. You can get them at the stores, and you can also get them on their website. Right now, they are available on their website. So it's a really good deal to buy a case of them. That's what I usually do. I'm also using some of their dye that they have. So I'm using like an orange color of the dye in the resin to make an octopus. I want to make a sun catcher for my window. So I'm just pouring the orange resin into it. I do have to kind of tilt it a little bit to get it to go down in all of the different tentacles of the octopus. And then I'm also going to be using the Dollar Tree glass beads. I thought blue would be really cute. We could do like a little blue ringed octopus because the beads have little holes in them. So I am just scattering those all over the octopus to give him some personality, to make him one of those dangerous octopuses. My son loved this one. He thought it was really fun. And I actually gave this to him to put into his window in his room. So while the resin's wet, you can kind of rearrange them. I made sure all of the beads were flat so you could see the circles in them. I left the mold overnight, and now the fun part, we can unmold it, see how it turned out. I love using the Dollar Tree resin. I find it works really good, not a lot of bubbling. This is what our Suncatcher looks like. At this point, it's still a little bit malleable, but I'm going to show you how I make it into a Suncatcher. So I picked up this great little resin drill on Amazon the other day. It works really well. It's super easy. And I just drill a hole there in the top. And then I also got some of these little suction cups on Amazon. They're really cheap. You get a whole bunch of them. I'm just going to tie some fishing line around the suction cup. And then I'm going to tie that to the hole that we drilled in the top of the octopus to make it into a functional piece. I love working with resin, but I'm always looking for ideas of how I can actually use it in home decor. And this is how it looks as a sun catcher in my window. And always be careful working with resin. Make sure you wear a mask, gloves, do things to protect yourself. If you'd like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. Until next time, happy crafting.